All right, last one.
Scientists discover formula for perfect chip Butty. Okay, this, by the way, this is not something I learned about this. I don't know if we've ever talked about it on this show before. I think we might have.
Okay.
But this is a crazy sandwich. But then again, so is poutine. All right. The perfect chip Butty needs Brits to fill it with more chips, according to a recent scientific study. For those of you that don't know what this is a French fry sandwich. So
just French fries.
It's bread with French fries in the middle, right, which is just seems absolutely insane.
Well, this person has ketchup. There's condiments involved.
Well,
too,
I guess
right?
I guess you're allowed to put. I don't know. I guess you're allowed to put whatever you put on fries. It's up to you. But it's such an important dish apparently that they've gone through the effort of trying to figure out what the optimal version of it is.
Right. Because there's different sandwiches too. Bread.
Yeah. Oh. Nottingham Trent University researchers surveyed 2,000 Brits to discover the formula and found chip to Butty ratio, that means bread, I guess, was in a special importance. Lead researcher, Dr. James Hinn, said, "We felt it our duty to ensure the British public know the optimum way to build their crispy potato sandwich."
Oh, it's
like a Big Mac with the bun in the middle.
It's a 2-stack.
I just can't even imagine eating that.
Really?
You can?
Oh, yeah. I'll give it a shot.
It's just so much starch.
Yeah.
It's just starch on top of starch.
Uh-huh.
Probably Vin would eat that. The formula for perfection includes 12 fresh, thick-cut chips squidged between 2 slices of white bread spread with butter and topped with a squirt of ketchup. They came up with a mathematic equation for
Get
this.
out of here.
The mistake is when you only use 7 or 8 chips. That's
the
too
common
much
error.
bread and not enough chip. You know what? Whatever. This reminds me of when you're a kid and you don't want to eat something, and then your dad or mom is like, "Hey, it all ends up in the same place." In your stomach.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
It's like you may have an aversion to something, but do you have a problem with bread? No. Do you have a problem with French fries? No. Okay, so who cares? Like, go ahead and eat it, and that's probably exactly what I would do, Will. But it still has a strange look to it, and I gotta imagine as well. The other thing worth mentioning is the mess. It's hard to, like, with all these loose fries in the middle. It's almost like it should be a hash brown in the middle if you want the fried potato taste, because then you could have a sandwich that's actually a little bit more manageable to hold.
Yeah. I like fries in a sandwich.
But maybe it's supposed to be messy.
Oh, okay.
And look at this
get some
double stacker over here.
Some
like a
fall
poutine.
over. You get to have it as a snack.
But a poutine,
later.
you have a fork at least.
It's still pretty messy, though.
Maybe you eat this with a fork. You can
Maybe
eat
you
anything
put a
with a fork.
poutine inside 2 breads.
Some people eat pizza with a fork and knife.
Get out of here.
It's happened.
Okay.
It's happened. I'm saying, man, you have a lot of toppings, or you have a really thick slice. You have one of those Chicago type deals. Or even if you're in Italy, you know, and you get like a really fancy one on a nice plate.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe you're on a cruise.
Get out of here.
Maybe you're on a cruise, but you can't seem to forget that you're on a boat, so you can't really enjoy yourself even in your special attire. Unless you're Will, he doesn't care one bit, and he's ready to cruise right now.
Oh, yeah. I'll eat that as well.
Thank you very much. There's 20 restaurants on that boat.
Yeah.
You gotta find something you like. Thank you very much to everybody who joined us here today. Even though we were a little bit late, I promise you it was an actual power outage. We're going to be on time tomorrow. No, we're not going to be on time tomorrow because tomorrow is an Apple event. So we're going to watch the Apple event and we're going to then recap everything that took place. So expect to see us somewhere between 2 and 3 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow. Schedule yourselves accordingly. Thank you to everybody who joined. Thank you to everyone who participates. Thank you to everyone in the community. What a time to be alive.